Another day, another adventure. Today is my day off in Doha. So I'm going on a desert safari. One of the girls I met on the flight said, you know what, I'm going for desert safari, so come along. And I'm like, yeah, I don't have anything to do today. My elevator is here. I'm going to give fit check in a few minutes.
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound. And I get too stiff cause the thing's too round. Good God, make me look.
So I'm here. I'm waiting for my friend to come. Sitting outside enjoying the breeze. Yeah, at least I can enjoy the breeze now.
Bikes? Yeah, you know desert bikes? Yeah, you want to drive?
Yes.
How much is it?
It's depend upon the size of the bike. You want bigger one, you want smaller one?
Smaller one is cheaper.
Of course.
How? Why you don't like not like big?
No money.
How much is the big one? Anyway.
You want a big one? It's
Yeah, how much is big? How much is the small?
smaller one, the last one, it's begin from 125.
And then there's the bike.
So, okay.
So you have a toilet?
Time. We're going to use a washroom now. Alright, for today. Okay. Ready to go.
You need to be at the back. You need to be at the back.
Back side, okay?
This
Because
way.
you will not have same level. Sometimes at the tip. So always follow me. I will. How can go? Same way.
I need to video like this.
Okay? Okay?
Thank you. Hey. You're going to buy scarves now?
Oh no, take video. So loud. Sorry.
The guy looks very unamused. Just pushing my head. Still done. Have you ever seen a camel laying down before? This is what it looks like.
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound, and I get too stiff cause
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Good morning, Doha. It's the 23rd of February. التغطية is perfect design in 25 Celsius. ورسيك نوكو. عاد مطلب كتير زيارة هنا. لازم الواحد يفكر شلون لأن اليوم غير.
With me, walk with me, talk to me, come fill me in. Yeah, 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 yeah. Turn to me, smile for a while with me, come let's begin. Yeah, 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 yeah. With me, walk with me, talk to me, come fill me in. Yeah, 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 yeah. Turn to me, smile for a while with me, come let's begin.
Beautiful sunset.
What song you want? This one?
To climb all the way back.
Just sit. First sit, then it will sit. Okay, then it will sit. Okay, hold it. Close your mouth. Okay. Okay. Everyone will take, don't worry, okay? aşağı içi de o da.
In the tire or
Yeah.
Yeah, for the desert going inside, we remove the air. Tamam, sen was you can say it.
look pretty.
Nasıl işte?
So I went for my laundry because I'm preparing for my Phuket flight tomorrow. But it's been another beautiful episode. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound. And I get too stiff cause the thing's too round. Good God, make me